Okay. Tell me this. Where in the world are the files that are being uploaded to Suitedash going? That's the $1 million question, and we have the answers right here. Stay tuned. Hey, builders! Alea here from Alark Studios with another FAQ walkthrough. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss where exactly do the uploaded files go in Suitedash. So, in order to answer this question, I feel it's necessary to first talk about the makeup of the file system and how to navigate through it. So, let's do that first. I'm going to go to Files. And as you can see, I have my files, I have staff files, I have company files, I have contact files, I have projects, etc., etc. The way the filing system is made up is it is the target and then all of the folders inside of it. Let me give you an example. If you come into the staff files, okay, and then let's go to a specific staff member. Let's just go to sample. You then can see the different type of folders. So you have the private files. Staff cannot see this folder. You have the ones that are shared with staff. You have folder that is submitted by staff. Now, I know some of you probably didn't know this, but if you actually click inside of that, all of the forms, the flows, the project, and the file request. Let's see if we see a flow in here. Don't have any flows, but any flows that are in here, they would be here. So you would actually find the responses to your forms, your flows, etc. So let's go back home. The same thing for a contact. Let's go to a contact, John Doe. And you see he has his private files, shared files, submitted files. So these are files that are submitted with either a flow, a form. You have your project files specifically for John Doe, and these are for the individual project. So if I was to click inside here, you see my task, and you also see the public files there. There's also work request here. And more than anything, you see specifically the repository for John Doe. Now, this repository is just for this specific contact, and it's going to be that way also for every one of your targets. So I do have, this is actually funny. This is something I'm working on. I do have a target name onboarding in progress. And so what that means that any file that I want to upload, I would put in his repository, his or her, and any folder, any file that I wanted them to download, I would put it in there as well. So we're going to be working with John Doe today. And as you can see, so there's the inbound and there's the outbound. Anything I want them to download, I will put in the outbound. Anything I put in, anything that he uploads will show up in inbound. And let me know if you want me to do a more detailed video. I'm going to say if this channel gets 50 subscribers, I would do a more in-depth video about how to navigate Suitedash's files. So now that we have kind of navigated through the filing system, let me show you exactly how that works. So now that we have discussed and I showed you how to navigate the Suitedash filing system, let's impersonate John Doe and upload some files. So this is a sample dashboard for John Doe, and I'm going to select files here. You can either drag or drop, or you can select uh, the files. Now you're not going to see them specifically because I'm sharing just the screen, but you'll be able to see them being uploaded. Okay, so you saw that upload is complete. Let's do another one. Okay, so you can see, and I hope that you can, that John has uploaded two files that for me to look at, or let's just say your client has uploaded two files for you to take a look at. I'm going to come out of impersonating John. And so now, how can I find these files? Where are these files? Well, there's two ways you can find them. The first way is going to the filing system. This is how I showed you the first time. We're going to go to our contact files. We're going to find John, and we're going to go to the repository, and we go to the inbound. And as you can see, there are the two files that I uploaded. They're in their own folder. Each repository, when you upload it, it's going to have a folder. I uploaded something before to test it out. So that is one way that you will find your files. And just to show you, those are the two files. The other way you can do it is straight from the contacts or the company dashboard. So I'm going to go here in my contacts. I'm going to find John. And this is actually my preferred way. I'm going to go to files. And because I am under John's account, I would just go to the repository. I would go to inbound. And there you go. Those are the two files. So I hope that you guys find this video helpful. I hope this helps out with any confusion. Again, if you guys would like me to do a more in-depth video about uploading and downloading and turning your forms into PDFs, please do not forget to subscribe. As always, happy building.